In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a form in Retool. Whether you're new to Retool or simply looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of how to create a functional and efficient form. So, let's dive right in. First things first, once you're on your Retool dashboard, the journey begins by clicking on Create New and selecting App. This will set the stage for our form-building adventure. Imagine this as opening up a blank canvas, ready to be filled with the elements that will bring your form to life. Next, let's add an essential piece to our canvas, the form component. You'll find this in the component panel. Simply drag and drop it onto your canvas, and you'll see your form starting to take shape. The form component acts as the vessel that will hold all our inputs, providing a structure to gather information efficiently. Now, if you have a database connected, there's an optional yet incredibly convenient step you can take: generating inputs directly from a database. With the form component selected, direct your attention to the inspector panel. Here, you'll find an option called Generate from Database. By clicking on this, you can choose your connected database like PostgreSQL or MySQL and then select a particular table. Retool will automatically populate your form with input fields corresponding to the columns in your chosen table. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and consistency in your form's structure. With a basic structure in place, it's time to move on to customization, an essential part of tailoring the form to meet your specific needs. You can adjust labels, ensuring that each form field is intuitive and meaningful for the user. Tweaking the input types is also crucial. Whether they're text boxes, drop-downs, or checkboxes, each field type should align with the data you wish to collect. Don't forget to set up validation rules as needed, guaranteeing that the information entered is both accurate and usable. Finally, you can inject additional components into your form to make it more functional or visually appealing. Maybe you want to add a submission button, an image for branding, or even additional input fields. The choice is yours, and Retool allows for a great deal of flexibility in this regard. By following these steps, you will have created a fully functional form that not only serves your data collection purposes, but does so with style and precision. Thanks to Retool's intuitive platform, you can now focus more on what your form can do rather than how to make it. We hope this guide was helpful, and as always, feel free to experiment and extend your forms further to suit your needs perfectly. Happy form building!